Now we come to income elasticity of demand, which means the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a commodity to the income of the consumer. This can be positive, it can be negative, or it can be equal to zero. When it is positive, it is greater than zero, which means that as the income of the consumer increases, the quantity demanded of a commodity also increases. Now, under this positive, we can have three cases. The income elasticity of demand is equal to 1, where the quantity demanded of a commodity increases in the same proportion as the increase in income of the consumer. It can be greater than 0 but less than 1. Also, it can be greater than 1. So, when we have an income elasticity which is positive, greater than 0 but less than 1, these are for necessities. That is, the quantity demanded changes less than the change in the income of the consumer. Then we have income elasticity of demand, which is greater than 1, which is for luxuries, and here the quantity demanded, the change in it is more than the change in the income. And then finally, we have two other cases where the income elasticity of demand is 0, which means that when the income of the consumer changes, quantity demanded does not change at all. And a good example of such a thing are inexpensive necessities like salt. And finally, you have negative income elasticity of demand. That is, when the income of the consumer increases, quantity demanded of these goods decreases, and these are inferior goods. Take care. See you in the next hack.